Imagine waking up one day and realizing your life could have been completely different if you had just learned how money really works. Not the fake version, not the social media version, the real version. The version that can take you from stress and survival to peace and freedom. Because the truth is, most people are not broke because they are lazy. Most people are broke because nobody ever taught them the rules. They were taught how to earn money, but not how to keep it, not how to grow it, and definitely not how to make it work for them. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 money rules that can change your life forever. These are not complicated rules. They're simple, but simple does not mean weak. In fact, these are the same kind of rules that can quietly build wealth, remove stress, and help you create financial freedom over time. And stay until the end, because rule number 5 is the one most people ignore, and that is exactly why they stay stuck. Let's begin. Rule 1. Pay yourself first. This is the first rule because it is the foundation of everything. Most people do this backward. They get paid, then they spend on bills, food, subscriptions, random purchases, and whatever else grabs their attention. Then at the end, they look at what is left and say, I'll save later. But later usually never comes. That is why you must pay yourself first. Before you spend on anything else, set aside money for your future. Even if it is a small amount at first, make it automatic. Because if you wait until you feel ready, you'll keep waiting forever. Paying yourself first is how you stop living only for today. It is how you start building tomorrow. And the beautiful part is this. You do not need a huge salary to begin. You just need a decision. 1% is better than 0. 5% is better than nothing. And once you start, it becomes a habit that can change your entire future. Rule 2, build your safety net. The second rule is to build an emergency fund. This is the money that protects you when life throws something at you. Because life will throw something at you. A car repair, a medical bill, a job loss, an unexpected emergency. And when you do not have savings, every problem becomes bigger than it should be. That is how people get trapped in debt. One emergency turns into a credit card balance. That balance turns into stress. Then the stress turns into fear. An emergency fund breaks that cycle. Start with a small goal, then grow it little by little. Your first target could be $1,000. After that, build toward 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. This money is not for shopping. It is not for vacations. It is not for random spending. It is your safety net. It is the reason you can breathe when something goes wrong. It is the reason you do not panic every time life gets unpredictable. And that peace is worth more than people realize. Rule 3. Escape debt with purpose. The third rule is to stop treating debt like it is normal. Debt is not normal. Debt is expensive. It steals your future income and keeps you working for your past decisions. And the worst kind is high-interest debt, especially credit cards. Because credit cards make it easy to spend now and suffer later. That is why you need a plan. Not a hope, not a wish. A plan. List every debt you have. Write down the balance. Write down the interest rate. Then decide how you will attack it. Some people start with the smallest debt first. Some people start with the highest interest debt first. The method matters less than the momentum. What matters is that you are moving forward. And while you're paying off debt, stop creating new debt. No more excuses. No more I deserve this. No more pretending your future self will clean it up. Your future self needs relief, not more damage. Every payment you make is a step out of the trap. And every debt you eliminate gives you more freedom, more confidence, and more control. Rule 4. Let money grow for you. The fourth rule is where your life starts to change in a bigger way. You need to invest. Because saving alone is not enough. Saving protects money. Investing grows it. This is how money begins to work for you instead of disappearing every month. A lot of people think investing is only for experts or rich people. That is false. You do not need to know everything. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to start. The key is consistency. Put money away regularly. Use simple, diversified investments. Use retirement accounts if you have access to them. And keep going. Do not quit when the market moves. Do not panic when things look uncertain. Wealth is not built by emotional decisions. It is built by patient ones. The people who win with money are usually not the ones making the loudest moves. They're the ones staying consistent for years. That is how small amounts become real wealth. That is how money starts multiplying quietly in the background while you live your life. Rule 5. Spend with intention. This is the rule most people ignore, and it may be the most powerful one of all. Spend with intention. Because if you do not know what matters to you, your money will disappear on things that do not matter at all. A lot of people spend emotionally. They spend to feel better. They spend to fit in. They spend to impress people. They spend because they are stressed, bored, tired, or emotional. And then they wonder why they never feel ahead. Real control begins when you connect money to your values. Ask yourself, what kind of life do I actually want? What matters most to me? What do I want my money to support? Maybe it is your family. Maybe it is peace of mind. Maybe it is travel. Maybe it is freedom. Maybe it is building something bigger than yourself. Once you know your values, spending becomes clearer. You stop saying yes to everything. You stop buying things that drain your future. And you start using money like a tool instead of a reaction. That is when freedom begins to feel real. The truth nobody tells you. Here is what most people never realize. Financial freedom is not one giant moment. It is not a lottery win. It is not a lucky break. It is not a magic paycheck. It is a system. It is a system built on small decisions, repeated over time. Pay yourself first. Build your safety net. Escape debt. Invest consistently. Spend with intention. That is how ordinary people create extraordinary change. Not overnight, but for real. And once you start, something important happens. You stop feeling like money controls you. You stop living in constant panic. You stop surviving month to month. And slowly, your life opens up. You get more choices, more confidence, more peace, more freedom. Final message. If you feel behind right now, do not give up. You're not too late. You're not hopeless. And you're not stuck forever. You just need to start. Start with one rule, then build from there. Because the smallest decision can become the beginning of a completely different life. And one day, you will look back and realize this was the moment everything changed.